slime, but I'm going to turn it into hashtag Mermazing mermaid slime. So pretty much just get on with it. So are you ready? Let's go. So as you can see, we've got glitter, we've got blue glitter, we've got green glitter, we've got some mermaid like gemmy canvas glitter, we've got some galaxy glitter, we've got some seaweed glitter, some stars and all cool things. So we're pretty much just going to get started. So what you need is a spoon of any type and a big bowl, because we're going to make a cool slime. It's going to get messy. So we've got these two ingredients, and then you need PVA glue, some baby oil, blue food colouring, some like measuring things, some borax, some tubs because you're going to need some tubs to put your slime in afterwards, some measuring spoons, and also borax. So how to make borax is 2 teaspoons of borax, and then you put like half a cup of warm water, and you mix it in, and it should look really misty, and that's how you know you've got the perfect borax. So guys, I'm going to get started by putting 2 big cups of PVA glue, full cups, because we're going to make this slime Mermazing, gigantic, like just gigantic, like massive. So let's just do this. Okay, so let's just fill this up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And Mermazing excited. Okay. Look how full that is. You're just gonna pop this in, and if it doesn't all come out, you're just gonna grab your spoon and just like try and get all this glue out, because you're gonna have to have as much glue as possible. Okay, so now I've got 1 cup in. I'm going to do the other cup, so I'll be back in a minute. So now I have my second cup. I'm going to just put all of this in like I did with the first cup. And I'm just going to like grab it all out like I did. So pretty much it's just the exact same as I did the first time. And it doesn't matter if you can't just get like completely all of it out. It's just like if some of it's stuck inside, you just want to grab it out of there. Okay, so I think we are done because none of this glue doesn't want to come out. So I'm just going to place this right down here. And now I am so excited. This is my favourite part, is the baby oil, because it makes it so glossy, and I love glossy slime. So we're just going to put 2 like squirts of it inside. You don't need that much because otherwise it'll make the slime feel really watery. So we're just going to mix this in. Okay, so I think we are done here. Okay, so now is my favourite part, because I love blue. It's my favourite colour, and oh my god, I'm so excited because it's going to make it so pretty. And if you're going to make like a big slime like this, you're going to add much more blue colouring, because otherwise it's not going to like, I don't know what it does. So I'm just going to add that much in, and then we're going to see if we need to add more afterwards. So this is actually a really nice colour. But today I think I want it like more like this colour, something like that. Okay. You do need a tiny bit more. Look at this blue food colouring. So we are literally pretty much done with the food colouring, the baby oil, and everything like that. All the basic stuff that you need for the beginning. Now I'm going to move to the next step, which is activating it, and I'm so excited because this is when it turns into slime and mermazing slime. So I'm just going to grab my borax, and I've got my measuring like spoons, and first of all, because it's been like sitting to the side for a bit, we need to mix it because it's gone back to crystals, and we need to make it liquid. And you want to be careful. Okay. I'm going to grab 1 teaspoon and I'm just going to pour it in really slowly, and I'm going to mix it in slowly. So as you can see, my slime is like kind of gone, and now like really like hard to mix, and it's gone like stretchy and like clumpy. This is when you know it's turning into slime instead of just being sloppy glue. Okay, so I am going to keep adding the borax. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of minutes and it is just needing 1 more teaspoon of borax, and then we'll be ready to go in with our hands. So just gonna mix this in. Oh my gosh, this is stiff. So we are definitely ready to do this. So I wouldn't recommend if you are allergic to what's it called, borax. So if you're allergic to borax and like washing up stuff and all that jazz, I wouldn't recommend doing this. So I'm just going to dip my hand into the borax, and I'm going to smudge it all over my hands. So then when we go like this, it just doesn't like stick to our hands so much. So as you can see, this is like really slimy. I'm just gonna grab this bit and I'm just gonna like knead it. Like I'm making bread. Like I'm making bread, girl. I'm making bread. It's still really sticky, so I'm just repeat this method. Like before, I'm making bread. I'm making bread. And also you kind of just like wanna, you know, play around with it and just get your arm in there. I like to do this. I just like grab it and flip it over like that. Don't flip it like a pancake because it'll go everywhere. Okay, right. We're gonna dip my hand in again because this thing isn't activated. It is being a dumb slab. So this like kind of like gets tiring after a while, so if you need someone to help you, that is totally fine, because you need help any day. still make bread. Arms. I think I need a mermaid rest. Okay, so now my basic slime is ready. We are now going to just move everything out of the way, then we're going to put it on the tray, then I'm going to make it super amazing. I'm so excited. So I'm just going to move the borax here, put this there. Okay, I think I am ready. Let's just move the spoon away for a couple of seconds. And then we'll grab it back so we can mix in the glitter. Right. Oh my god. Right, I'm gonna just do this. Okay, I think I did it. Right. So here's just a little show up the basic slime like before. We make it mermazing. So this is super like glossy and fluffy, even though we didn't even add any like fluff. Okay, so I'm going to grab this blue glitter and I'm just gonna put it all in because I just want loads of glitter. Like, why can't you like just add all of it? Girl. Look at that! Oh my gosh! It's so sparkly, but we're also going to add this green one, which is going to make it even more prettier. So oh, I'm so excited to mix it in. Okay, I'm going to add some of this mermaid glitter. Right. Okay, I'm gonna add galaxy glitter now, and this is just gonna be so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Ah. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there. Now I'm going to grab this one. It's like what do you call it? Iridescent glitter. Okay. I'm actually going to put that on my hand and then I'm going to sprinkle it because it's much easier. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to add my seaweed glitter, which is this green one. I'm going to put that on the edges. Okay, and look at this. It's so pretty. It looks so mermaidy. I'm so excited to mix all of this in. And I'm going to add some of these blue stars as well to make it super cute. I'm not going to add too many because it's not really mermaidy, but right, I think we're actually ready to mix all this in, and I'm so excited, so I'm just gonna put my hand in it. Oh my gosh, this is so nice! Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Just mixing it in is so satisfying. Look at this. And it's super thick. It's like thick. So I'm just going to grab all the slime and I'm just gonna like lift it up and then drip it back down. look at this. It's actually quite heavy. I didn't think it was going to be that heavy. But it's like really, 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 really stretchy. And pokey and glossy. I think this is the perfect slime. Perfect mermaid slime. It's like so amazing. I love the feeling. And I'm actually going to add even more glitter because I just want those glitter. Loads and loads and loads and loads of glitter. More stars as well. Look at that. Oh, I even forgot this blue, dark blue one. So I'm going to add that in. Oh, that's actually changed it so much. It looks so nice. I love this skirt so much. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. And also on Instagram, I'm going to be posting my slime on Instagram and like doing videos of me playing with it and loads of things like that. So fluffy, 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 fluffy. Okay, let's lift this up. Oh, heavy. It's really heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I am going to do this. I'm going to make some bubbles because you know how much I love bubbles. I wish you guys could feel how heavy this is. Like, it's like really heavy. I wonder what a house full of slime would feel like. So pokey. It is kind of buttery. It's like super smooth. This is like all the slimes together. Like fluffy, glossy, buttery, smooth, glittery, mermaidy, Mermazing. And it's so pretty. Okay, so make sure you comment down below what I should call this slime. Mermaid slime, glitter slime, Mermazing bomb, seahorse slime, anything mermaidy and blue will be perfect. So now I'm going to show you my sensory bottle. I will be making a video of this, about this, and also make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And there's iridescent glitter, chunky glitter, stars, polka dots, lots of different glitters as you can see here. It is very, very, very fun to play with. I sleep with it sometimes, and sometimes if I'm stressed I take it to school and I play with it at school. And it's really fun to play with, and it's super pretty. So I will be posting my Minecraft episode, which you've probably been waiting for forever. That will be coming soon. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And make sure you share because I really want to get up to 500 subscribers. So I'll see you Mermazing next time. Goodbye!